Hello everyone, today we will learn about how to make carousel indicator. So yeah, let's get started. So in this video we will use carousel slider, okay? I think you all is know about carousel slider because it's popular in a Flutter. So yeah, we will use this for the tutorial. But in this video, we will not learn about how to make carousel things, okay? So, first place, I want to make indicator in below for the image, yeah? I want to make a dot in here. The dot is we will follow the length of the array, okay? I mean length of the image list. So in here we can see I have image list. So the image list has a list of image, okay? So the image is like URL. So we get the image from the internet. Okay, it's simple like that. I already make the cursor slider. I make the builder and then image list, that length, item count is for the icon item count. Okay, and then the container, blah blah blah, and yeah, I put in here image list, can get the index. Okay, so we focus in carousel option. Okay, we can control space and then we can take a look for the on page change. We can enter in there and then we can enter like this. So yeah, we already make on page change it, and then let's take a look in here. I want to make current index for the the color for the index for the dot. Maybe I will make a new variable in here. I make integer because the index is integer. All right, we call current index, I think, and then the initial value is 0, and then we can put in here, oops, current index is equal to index. So the index is the current index for the carousel. So we assume this is a 0 index, and then it is 1, and then 2, and then more and more, okay, like that. So the index is the current for the carousel, okay? So we can put in there current index, and don't forget we use set state because we want to real-time change, okay? Yeah, I think you understand what I mean, okay? So and then we want to make the indicator in below in the image. So yeah, I will make the UI in here. I will make in here, we can call row, and then we can children in here. The children we can use image list, and then map, and then we can use in here, and then this. Don't forget to use toList in here. Okay, so we will make a circle for the indicator. Okay, so decoration, box decoration, shape. The box shape is, sorry, circle, and the width is I think is egg, and then the height is egg too. After that, maybe we can put some colors. The colors is gray. Oh, okay, so the first thing, the color is gray. Okay, yes, maybe I put the cons in here so we can see in here the circle is already on the UI. So I want to maybe give some margin. We can add insets, and then we can symmetries and horizontal, and we can put in here is egg. Okay, is egg is good? No, I think it's not good. It's too far away. Maybe 4. Yeah, this is good. Okay, it's no cons. After that, I want to put in the center, so I can main axis alignment and then main center. Whew, that's cool. Okay, maybe I get some padding in here. We can refactor it, and then the padding, and we can just only in here. I want the padding just in top. I call it 10 maybe. Okay, that's good now. So in here the core thing for the indicator, I just want to make if, yeah, if current index is equal to, okay, what equal, okay, in here we can write the code like this, integer index of image, okay, and image list index of what, of the element for we get the from image list. Okay, so maybe I call it element, we can put in here, and yeah, so if the current index we can get from here, we can get from the current index for the carousel, and then if they same as index of image, we can change the color is blue, or if not, the color is gray. Okay, we can delete the constants. Boom, we can see in here the blue things, or maybe the blue color will indicate the index of the carousel. So if we slide like this, the blue image will change, I mean the color for the current index will change to blue. Okay, so yeah, as simple as that. We can make any indicator carousel things now. Okay, so that's the video for the carousel indicator, so you can follow the tutorial. And yeah, if you want to know about the UI, or maybe you want to see the full code, I will share it in GitHub, so you can see in there and you can download it for your practice. Okay, that's all for today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.